Welcome to this tutorial on Azure Virtual Machine Sizes. In this video, you'll learn how to choose the right instance types for your workloads. Understanding VM sizes is crucial for optimizing both performance and cost in Azure. Azure VM sizes are predefined configurations that combine specific amounts of CPU, memory, storage, and networking resources. Each size is optimized for different workload types and performance requirements. Think of them as templates that help you quickly deploy virtual machines suited to your specific needs without having to manually configure every component. Azure uses a standardized naming convention for VM sizes. Let's break down an example. Standard_D4S_V5. The letter D represents the VM family. The number 4 indicates the number of virtual CPUs. The letter S means it supports premium storage. And V5 indicates it's the 5th generation of this VM series. Understanding this naming pattern helps you quickly identify a VM's capabilities. Azure offers 6 main VM families, each designed for specific use cases. B series is for burstable workloads that don't need consistent CPU performance. D series provides general-purpose VMs with balanced resources. F series is compute optimized with high CPU to memory ratios. E series offers memory-optimized configurations for large memory requirements. L series is storage optimized for high-throughput workloads. And N series provides GPU-enabled VMs for graphics and AI tasks. B series VMs are cost-effective options for workloads with variable CPU usage. They're ideal for development and test environments, low-traffic web servers, and small databases that experience occasional spikes. These VMs accumulate CPU credits during idle periods, which can be used during peak activity. This makes them perfect for workloads that don't need full CPU performance all the time. D-series VMs offer a balanced CPU to memory ratio, making them the most versatile and commonly used family. They're perfect for enterprise applications, web servers, application servers, middleware, and medium-sized databases. If you're unsure which family to choose, D-series is often a safe starting point for most general workloads. Let's cover 3 specialized families. F-series VMs have a high CPU to memory ratio, making them ideal for compute-heavy tasks like batch processing and web servers that need more processing power. E-series VMs provide large amounts of memory, perfect for in-memory databases and analytics workloads. L-series VMs offer high-throughput storage, designed for big data applications, NoSQL databases, and caching systems that require fast disk operations. N-series VMs are equipped with powerful GPUs, making them suitable for demanding graphics and computation tasks. They're used for machine learning and AI training, 3D rendering and visualization, video encoding and processing, and high-performance computing simulations. These VMs provide the parallel processing power needed for GPU-accelerated applications. When selecting a VM size, consider 4 key factors. First, identify your workload type and match it to the appropriate VM family. Second, assess your performance needs including CPU, memory, and input-output operations per second requirements. Third, optimize for cost by balancing performance with your budget constraints. Finally, consider scalability and ensure the VM family offers flexibility for future growth and the ability to resize as your needs change. Let's recap the key points. VM sizes are predefined configurations optimized for specific workloads, eliminating the guesswork in resource allocation. Each family, whether B, D, F, E, L, or N series, serves distinct use cases. Understanding the naming conventions helps you quickly decode a VM's capabilities. And when choosing a VM size, always base your decision on workload requirements, performance needs, cost considerations, and scalability. With this knowledge, you're now equipped to make informed decisions about Azure VM sizing for your projects.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.